how to withdraw money from Bingo Cash. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, make sure you have met the minimum requirement for a payout, which should be between $1 and $10. Then here's how we can do it. Go to the withdraw or cash out section. You want to open up the app and click on withdraw or cash out. Then you will choose your payment method, whereas PayPal is the most common one. You can also use Apple Pay or Google Pay in some cases. Then we just gotta enter the amount we want to withdraw and confirm our withdrawal request by following the prompts. The second to last step will be waiting for the payment to process, so it can take a few business days. For PayPal, the money will be transferred directly to your PayPal account and you should receive a confirmation email. And the last step will be just checking your payment account. Once the withdrawal is processed, you want to check your PayPal or chosen payment method to ensure the funds have been deposited. In case of any delays or issues, Bingo Cash offers customer support so you can reach out to them. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.